When it comes to how cars drive, you've probably heard of front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive. But how do they differ? Let's break it down. In a front-wheel drive car, the engine's power goes directly to the front wheels, making it great for traction, especially on slippery roads. In a rear-wheel drive car, power goes to the back wheels. This setup is perfect for sports cars because it gives you more control and allows for a fun, responsive drive. All-wheel drive sends power to all four wheels, making it ideal for off-road or uneven terrain driving, giving you more stability and grip in tough conditions. So, whether you need extra control on snow, a sporty drive, or a reliable car for all kinds of weather, these different drive systems have you covered. Each system has its strengths. Which one suits your driving style? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you gained from it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.